Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. Today I'm going to take you guys along with me as I travel to Auckland for the weekend. Unfortunately on this trip Mike isn't coming along with us. He's just had surgery, he's recovering, so I'm taking this trip along with our son. So let's get in the car, let's make our way to Sydney International Airport. We'll see you guys there. Let's go. Hey everybody, so we have just gone through security. So here in Sydney they now have something different, an additional security. They do swabs for explosives. Did they do the explosives with you? So this is our boy. So they do swabs for explosives. Again, you still got to take your shoes off, anything that's ankles and up. But they now swab for explosives. So we've made it through security. We're going to make our way to the gate because we're flying out in like 40 minutes. So my pre-boarding snack is hot chips. I'm talking to the camera. Say hi to Michael Jr. So he and I are heading to Auckland together today. Anyway, we went to duty free and they always have specials here. I got strawberry and cream Baileys and an original Baileys, 2 for $65. This is for gifts in New Zealand. But yeah, 2 for $65 or 3 for, how much was it?
99.
3 for $99.
Does that sound right?
Yeah, it was 3 for $99. But there's a whole variety of different alcohols. The person this is for wanted Baileys. The only downfall about buying duty free at the airport before leaving is you've got to carry it. Anyway, we're going to just chill here, cool down because it's so hot today, and then we're going to make our way to our gate. See you guys soon. So we've checked in. We got the row to ourselves. We're at the wing. But it was a smooth check-in and we're about to leave. I'll see you guys when we arrive in Auckland.
Welcome to Auckland, with local time is 3 minutes past midnight. Please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened until the seatbelt sign is on. As always, smoking, vaping and e cigarettes is not permitted while disembarking or throughout the terminal. Please take care when opening.
Hey everybody, so we've arrived into Auckland safely. We had a good flight. As you would have seen, we didn't get any meals. They had 3 options. We weren't hungry, so I just had a cheese and crackers and a mineral water. We're here collecting our bags. So our boys just waiting for our bags, and then we're going to go and get our car rental. I'm not sure if I'm going to continue this video tonight. May catch up with you guys first thing in the morning, we'll see. But we've arrived in Auckland safely. You can already smell the fresh air. But yeah, Qantas was a good flight, good landing. Yeah, it's good to be home. Good morning everyone and welcome to beautiful sunny Auckland. So I've been up now since about 7 a.m. I really want a coffee and I really want a New Zealand style cream donut. So just waiting on my sister. We're going to get ready and then we're going to make our way out for the day. So today there's going to be a few things happening and I'm going to take you guys along with me. I actually don't know where we're going to end up for the first part of the day, but from lunchtime onwards we will be with a lot of my extended family because I've come to Auckland to be part of the celebration for my niece's 21st. So let's get this day started. Hey everybody, so we've made our way to Manurewa. There's Loretta. And we are on Churchill Road in Manurewa because we are coming to Tiffs Bakery. Oh, where did you get the mangoes from? We're at Tiffs Bakery. Yeah. So this is Churchill Road in Manurewa. And this whole area has changed and gotten big. And we're just at the dairy. And this is Tiffs Bakery. This is our car rental for the weekend. This is a Ford Cougar. And yeah, it's a pretty good car, to be honest. It's hybrid. Everything's pretty much electric. Anyway, let's go and get something to eat. Check out that. Nutella donut. Sorry. Here's the hot food. I want a cream donut. Do you want one? Yeah. We've got some desserts here. Oh, look at that Kit Kat. Look at that. Yummy. It's very small in here, but I will like a corned beef cabbage pie. Check that out.
Is that what you want?
No.
Where's that?
There.
We have Lucifer, very popular. This one really popular, Lucifer.
Can
Totally
I get,
pies.
can I get a mince and cheese pie, please?
Yeah, sure.
What else you want? You want like a little one?
I'll get
sausage? Everything looks so nice. Or a McMuffin?
Oh, I'll get a ball up pie. No thanks, but not today. I'll get a steak and jalapeno and cheese. So this must be a pretty famous place. With these heaps of people. Oh, can I get the steak jalapeno and cheese pie, please?
Yeah. What about that corned beef cabbage? You still want it? Or
No.
Okay.
Filling pies are on.
So Loretta got the mince and cheese pie. Oh wow, look at that filling. Show us. Looks delicious.
New Zealand pies are on.
She lives here, by the way. And I got a, oh wow, this feels so yum. Oh, yeah, so bouncy and yummy. Mmm. That is so good. So good to be home. Mmm. Only thing they don't have is coffee. This place gets packed. So good. No, the car next door to us parked so close they couldn't even get out.
And I reckon the best pies are in Rewa.
Yeah, even Clendon Bakery, I like their pies. I like their food. Mmm.
Do
That's
you want
just
something
good.
else, like a drink?
No thanks. Okay, so I got the steak jalapeno and cheese pie. Let's go
Nice
try
pie,
it.
a bit disappointing, not enough cheese.
She's men watching. Anyway, there is the pie. So I love the New Zealand pies because they don't break. It's very flaky. Probably not hot enough the way I like it. But oh well. I don't normally like eating the crust of the pie. I rather bite it when I can have the filling there. But anyway.
What a beautiful day it is here today.
I haven't even bit it much. It is.
Look how fast.
And it's not too hot. You must be hungry. And in half an hour you're going to go. No thanks. In 5 minutes she's going to go. Oh, I ate too much. I haven't even got to the filling yet. Where's the jalapeno? Look at that big chunky piece of steak. That's nice mint. Show us.
Oh my gosh, I ate too fast. What's that one?
What's what one? It's jalapeno steak and cheese.
I don't want to waste it, but I can't help it. I'm done.
I still haven't reached any jalapeno. But this pie's nice. Ideally, I'd prefer it to be much hotter. I like my pies hot. I like my food really hot. Well, it's going to burn me. I know, crazy, right? But check out that steak. Anyway, we're going to just finish off our food. I'm really full. But and then I'm gonna give my sister the wheel. She wants to go and do a bit of shopping. And then she doesn't have to moan at my driving. Okay guys, we'll see you in the next part of the video. Everybody, so we have made our way out west. We're now at Lynn Mall. We've just come here to grab us a coffee. We needed some bean juice. This is the first time I've ever been to this mall after all the years living here. But yeah, we're here grabbing a coffee, and then we're going to go across the road because my sister wants to go to Save Mart, I believe. But this is the food court area. Check it out. So this is Lynn Mall. It's only around 10 a.m. Yeah, it's only around 10 a.m. and I'm going to go across the road, grab some stuff. Honestly, on this trip, I am losing everything and I'm finding it 5 minutes later. I'm so used to traveling with Mike that because he helps me remember where things are, and now I can't find my phone. Anyway, so we're just going to sit here and have our coffee. We're at Lynn Mall out in West Auckland. And then we're going to go to Save Mart, which is an op shop. My sister loves op shopping. Not that she needs it, she's got too many things. And then we'll see where we're going to go after that. We'll see you guys at Save Mart if we see any good bargains. So we are dressed for the birthday. Actually, sure, Loretta already got dressed. We're kind of wearing the same colour. But we've come to the cemetery to visit our dad. Our dad has been gone for how many years?
11.
Oh, so we're at the Manukau Cemetery.
Hello, Papa B. Happy Sabbath. Tell him that it's Lil's birthday. It's Lily's 21st. Mwah. Oh, too much that more on this thing.
So yeah, we're just going to spend a bit of time here and then we're going to go to the birthday. We'll see you guys at the next location. So the sun is really shining today. Every time I come back to New Zealand, I always try to stop by the cemetery and visit my dad. So we just calculated that he's been gone now for 11 years this year. Every time I come here, this place is getting more and more full. It's very sad. But anyway, we're going to make our way to lunch and we'll see you guys at the next location. You coming? So we've arrived at our destination, Loretta, our driver.
Bad co-pilot dissing my freaking parking, asking a friendly advice.
Let me just turn her.
Let's put this in.
Anyway, so we're here. All my family are going to be here, and they don't know that I've come. And my mum is in the car. The next car from us. So let's go and see everyone. I just saw my niece, and she's okay. But anyway, let's get ready and go and see everybody. So this is where we're having lunch today at Love Asia.
Are you going to sing for us, Colleen? Yeah. Auntie Lily, you tricked us. Or did you just decide last minute?
This is my niece! Hi! And my other niece! I wasn't going to come, but I did.
I can't curse your name because I'm just coming out of my sickness. Yeah. But I'm good though. Might have a few whiskey shots. Oh, really?
Where's everybody? Hi, Papa Gigi. Hello. Does everyone remember Papa Gigi? Mama! Mom!
Hello, Lily.
There's Mom. These are my nephews. My brother.
All right.
Hi, Ramon.
My old nephew.
And the other nephew. Hi, Robbie. Yes, this is the family. Where's the birthday girl?
She should be here at 1:15. Thanks, Mom. So pleasure.
Hi, Christina. So, this is almost everyone. This is our setting. Sorry, it's really hard to say hello to everybody and have a camera. There's more family. So
Don't take my bag, eh? I took my bag at my home last
this is my other nephew. My great nephew. This is my niece's son. Excuse the music in the background.
Oh, you have one of these.
Yeah.
They've got one of these for Japan.
Oh, they're so good at. Hi, Cowboy. They're good.
Is that yours or Joe's?
Mine. Oh. They're good at. Where's Jared?
You're supposed to be here already. Craig. Are they going to sit here with us?
So, yeah, these are all the family.
Oh, yeah.
Hi, CJ.
The cousins.
How tall are you? Wow.
Yeah.
I know. I live in Sydney. Oh my God, what are you doing here?
Was that a surprise?
Kind of. Oh. So your family are here. And this is my mum's little sister from Perth. My mum's little sister and my mum's little brother.
And can someone tell Marky the tune is probably most here are Lily's family. So, and that's a representation of our Francham family, which is her mum's side. And then on my side is our Tau and our mum side. So probably more so for Lily's friends. Just to give you a bit of context on who's here today. So we are proud families from the Cook Islands and Ngāpui. And Lily is the makeup of those family bloodlines. So once again, just want to welcome you all here this. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Lily. Happy birthday to you. Rafano Yahweh, Rafano Yahweh, Rafano Yahweh, Rafano Yahweh. Hip hip! Hooray! Hooray! Hip hip!
Raina, Janice, Jordan, Miku, Cowboy, Ray, CJ, the birthday girl, Dash, Jawed.
I had to.
Sorry, bud. Patrice, Shanae, and Robbie. That's at Brisbane, eh?
pretty well wrapped, so it has been hand woven over time, especially for our
Thank you to my friends in Toronto and Auckland. I don't know what I would do without you. And my family too. You know, I love you all. Thank you all for letting me live with you. And you too, Tiffs. And enjoy the food.
Hey everyone, so we had a full-on day today. After our birthday celebration, we ended up at my brother's place where my nieces, because you would have noticed we had three of our of my great nieces and nephews that were there. They were Lily's older sister's children, but the rest of my nieces who were there who do have children, they're the two nieces that were singing. Their children weren't there, so after the birthday lunch we ended up at my brother's place where we all brought our kids together, and all the kids were running around. We sat around, ate birthday cake, talked, laughed and everything. So it was a really full-on day, and then after that we ended up travelling to Pukekohe to visit my mum's older sister, who wasn't doing too well, and she was meant to be at the birthday today, but she couldn't come because she wasn't well. But anyway, we ended up in Pukekohe visiting her, and I was meant to head out to Pakuranga night markets tonight, but yeah, no, it was a full-on day today. So we've just pretty much just come home to rest. So I'm going to get my snooze on. But we are going to head out tomorrow before we make our way to the airport to head back to Sydney. So stay tuned and we'll see you guys in the morning.